Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to get your bank statement from Monzo in 2025. Monzo has made banking seamless with their app, but if you're new to it or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. Whether you're sorting out taxes, applying for a loan, or simply tracking your spending, getting your statement is a breeze. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Monzo app installed on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, head to your app store and download it. It's free and takes just a minute. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your usual credentials, like your email and PIN. Security is key, so double-check that you're on a secure network. Now, once you're logged in, look for the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll see your account overview. Scroll down or use the search function to find the Statements or Download Statements option. Monzo's interface is pretty intuitive, so it should be straightforward. Select the account you want the statement for if you have multiple ones. Next, choose your date range. Monzo lets you customize this, so pick the period you're interested in, like the last month or the entire year. Hit Generate or Download, and voila! The app will prepare your statement as a PDF or CSV file. You can then email it to yourself or save it directly to your device. One cool tip for 2025. Monzo now integrates with AI tools to summarize your spending patterns in the statement, which can help you spot trends and save money. Always review your statement for accuracy and keep it secure to protect your financial data. And there you have it. Getting your Monzo bank statement is quick and hassle-free. If you run into any issues, check Monzo's help section or reach out to their support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on banking and tech. See you in the next video.